This 7-mile trail transports riders from trendy Culver City to the Ballona Wetlands and on to the beach in Playa Del Rey, where it connects to the aforementioned Marvin Braude. It follows along the old North Bank maintenance road from when the creek was cemented to manage flooding. Since it was first established in the 1970s, the path, the creek habitat, and the surrounding greenways have been improved greatly to include interpretive signs about area wildlife and ecology, a couple of parks and playgrounds, ornate entrance gates, and benches for resting. It's mostly flat, although there are steep up and down parts whenever the path goes under major streets. There are murals and street art, and in the spring wildflowers pop up in more natural sections of the creek. For about the last mile, the Marina Del Rey Bay appears to your north and ups the scenic quotient with sailboats and gleaming highrises. Once you reach the end, lock up the bikes and walk along the breaker to get a better look at the beach. The closer you come to the ocean, the busier it gets. Enter through gates at Sid Cronenthal Park, Duquesne Avenue, Overland Avenue, Purdue Avenue, McConnell Avenue, Inglewood Boulevard, Centinela Avenue, or Sepulveda Boulevard. Free street parking can be found at most entry points.